My next guest, Bonnie, has a unique hobby that has turned into a business. Bonnie says she's hoping to bring back a popular trend of the 70s and 80s. Take a look.
I recently started a business taking old jeans, turning them into purses. I have a knack for making old things new again. Jean purses were a fad back when I was growing up, and I'm really hoping to make them cool again. I put my own zhuzh on it. This one is a under the sea theme. I am such a perfectionist when it comes to my creations, and sometimes it stresses me out because I set my bar really high. Making these purses is my pride and joy, but I wish I could make other things in my life look new again.
So, Bonnie, thank you for being here. So, how did you come up with the idea of turning jeans into purses?
Well, my mom was an amazing seamstress, and growing up, she taught me how to sew. So one day I decided I was going to make old jeans into a new skirt, and as I cut the legs off, I realized these would make really cute purses, so I've been making them ever since.
Yeah, well, it's easy to do if you know how. So,
yeah.
You mentioned in the tape that you were a perfectionist. Is that just with your hobby or also in your life?
Well, I've always set a really high bar for myself, and I work really hard at trying to make everything perfect. So yes, I would say I'm a perfectionist in life.
Yeah, well, I've always had, kind of that tendency, but I've substituted in to strive for excellence, not perfection, because you can really be frustrated by trying to get that last 2 or 3%.
Yes.
But if you struggle for excellence instead of perfection, that's attainable. Perfection, not happening, but that's attainable. So Bonnie says, being a child of the 80s, she has a lot of wonderful memories, but there was one trend from back in the day that has caused some long-lasting effects that she now tries to hide behind sunglasses. Take a look.
I am not happy at all with the way my skin is aging. I spent a good deal of my teens and 20s at the beach. If baby oil was considered a sunscreen, that's my protection. I am paying the price for not protecting my skin. I completely regret it. What frustrates me most about my skin are these fine lines and wrinkles, crow's feet around my eyes, and the under eye puffiness. I know I can't reverse the damage that was caused years ago. For the time being, I'm just going to put on my shades and go about my day.
Well, Bonnie, I certainly hope you're using sunscreen now, right?
I am, Dr. Fell. I'm using sunscreen, I'm wearing hats. I'm taking so much better care of my skin these days. But since the damage has already been done, especially around my eyes, I'm really hoping to be able to find a solution.
Yeah, well, I'd like you to meet dermatologist and spokesperson for Rock Skincare, Dr. Sabrina Fabi. So it's good to see you again.
Nice to see you.
Dr. Fabi, Bonnie said that her greatest concern about her skin are the wrinkles around her eyes. So give us your thoughts.
So right now, as we're all out and about, all people are seeing are our eyes, as the masks are covering the majority of our face as we protect our health and the health of others from coronavirus. And so, Bonnie, you mentioned that you weren't so good about using your sunscreen in your youth. And we know how harmful UV rays can be to our skin. And so this can definitely contribute to wrinkles and crow's feet around the eyes as you describe. And so I'm really happy that you're finally being good about your protection habits. But as far as those wrinkles around your eyes, it's not too late to turn back the hands of time.
So, Dr. Fabi, what would you recommend for Bonnie?
I think it's important to use products that contain the right ingredients to target the specific issues of concern. So in your case, Bonnie, let's focus around your eyes. I like to recommend Rock Retinol Correction Eye Cream. It's a clinically proven formula that improves the 3 signs of aging that concern you and many women.
Well, here are some before and after pictures, actually. Tell us what we're looking at here.
Look at the results of these before and after photos. Studies show that it visibly reduces puffiness and dark circles in 4 weeks. But what you're gonna really love is that it's clinically proven to reduce the appearance of crow's feet by 50%.
Yeah, 50%. Bonnie, what do you think?
Well, just looking at those photos, I can see this is exactly what I need to help me bring back some youth to my eyes.
Yeah.
And you're gonna love that it's also available at Walmart for less than $20. But Bonnie, Rock has a gift for you. They are giving you a 1-year supply.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. That's amazing.
There you go. So you got to use it.
I promise.
You got to use it. Look, so